Hi, and welcome to our 52-week challenge video series. So, this is pretty much about how to create simple everyday objects, whether it's something you read about, something around you, something you see, something you remember. It's just that we can use Blender to recreate those objects. One, to keep up our skills. Two, to see, hey, how far have we come to be able to create something simple, either real fast or integrate things we've learned to make things easier. Because I'm sure some of us, like when we started, we were creating simple objects, but they took us like half an hour when it should take us like 5 minutes. But hey, it's a learning process, so we're learning, and this is just to show, hey, we learned something, or hey, we learn how to integrate things a little faster. But yeah, hope this series helps you guys take up the challenge yourselves, or just to see, hey, we can create these objects and it's fun. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, thanks for listening to my long rant, and let's get started. So we created our cube. This is Blender 3.3, just to let you know what we can do for every day first object, or for the weekly challenge. Yeah, is uh, we're going to create like a recreation of the PS1 or a Gamestation like it. So yeah, so we have our cube. Let's press 1 to go to the front, or I think that's the side. Tab, nope, SC, like this here. Then GC. Actually, I don't even have to tell you, like it's over here. All right, cool. So press 1. Then we're gonna press see-through tab, and we're gonna go to the faces. Press 1. We're gonna control R and add that right here. Then select all the faces right there. Make sure we're on face mode. Press 3 to do it faster. Delete all the faces, and then we're gonna add a mirror modifier, and which you can do in your edit mode. That way you don't have to go back. All right, sweet. Then press 1, and we're gonna switch to edge mode with a 2, or press it over here. Select the edges right here, and then we're gonna go ES, and about this is good. Okay, press 3, and we're going to take care of is how this is not lined up right here. So press 1, press this, and then press N, go to, I think, item, and then as you see right here, we're going to put -1. Oh, sorry, number lock was not on. -1, and that lines up everything, so we're good there. Now let's go back to face mode. Take X-ray off. Tab. Oh. Lessons. Oh, we're on the wrong side. Okay. All right. Shift and select all of these. And then we're going to press E. Bring it right about here, and that's about it. That's all we really need, but that's weird. White breaks right here. But to fix that real quick, let's see. We're not going to overdo it, so just press this, shift, and then control plus. All right, and then F, that creates a face there, and that's good enough. All right, now let's create the, what's it called? The ports for the controllers, and then we're gonna add a little bit of details and some of the buttons here and the game disc thing here. So Control R, That's good. Control R. That's not, yeah, that's good. All right, press escape, then go back to face mode, and then these two, no, actually, yeah, that's bad. Control R, make it. Control R. Press. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Escape, Control R. Alright, nice. There we're going to press 3 for faces. That's weird. Why isn't my 3 button working? Alright. Anyway, select these right here. Press E. Let's go back a little bit. We're going to press I to inset a little bit, and then E to go back. And that is our controller ports. Alright. Then we're going to create this, press this phrase, press I, inset just a bit. Then E a little bit like that. Okay. Then we're going to go up here and tab so we can get out of it. All right, now let's create our this part right here, and then we're going to create a little button. So Shift A. See, I thought this would take like 3 minutes max, but it is taking quite a bit. Also, I haven't used Blender like maybe a month, so that probably explains it. But yeah, like anything, skill takes time and effort. And if you don't use your skills, they get a little rusty. So let's delete that. Faces. All right, tab. GC. Like there. Okay, that's pretty good. And now let's Shift D. Oh, let's get out of the core. Edit mode. Yeah. This Shift D. No, not that. That Shift D. Why is this getting all complicated? Shift D. There it is. I don't know why it's doing that. But go to 1, S, then G, put it around here, then S, that's a good button. Then press 3 for side view, G, Y, bring it right there. Okay, now we got our button, sweet. And what we can do is simple modifier here. So instead of like duplicating and adding to the side, we're just do a mirror, and we are going to use the mirror object to choose this object, the big one, and there, that's it. We've created a little game station pretty fast. And like I said before, the more you practice, the better, faster you get. It just takes a little bit of time. Let's see for this one. Just want to add a little bit of something here. G. C. All right. All right. But yeah, that's about it. Practice, and let's practice together, and let's get better at this. All right. Oh, apply the modifier. All right. This will get faster, but if you like, I'll stay as slow as this. But really, I will probably stay as slow as this because I am refreshing my skills. So thanks for listening, and until the next time.